Hey everybody, we're at a new place. And this is a place that I've been 2 or 3 times in the past. And Sue's been here before, but neither one of us have it super vivid in our memory, so we had to come back here.
I think I actually was here like on a stop with my family.
Like a stopover?
I think we literally drove into one of these pullouts and we were like, there it is! And we took a picture and then we left.
And I've been here quite a few times on family vacations, but it's probably been 12 years since I've been here.
This is amazing.
We're at Crater Lake. And we picked the perfect time to be here, apparently, because it snowed last night and the roads are clear. The road was shut down yesterday, and they had smoke up until about 3 days ago. And it's end of September, so not a lot of people here. So it's quiet in the park, the roads are open, snow everywhere, and it's crystal clear. So I guess we hit it just perfect, and it's pretty awesome.
This is so cool. Wow. Wow. This is so cool.
It's crazy too how few people are out here.
Yeah.
Like I bet this is normally pretty busy. Look at the peak behind you.
I know. It's hard to find words. You know, when Ryan decided that he wanted to go to Yellowstone, I was like, okay. It was never really on my bucket list, but we got there and I was so glad he planned that part of the trip because it's just unworldly. It just doesn't seem like it should be there. And then I feel the same about here. Like I was like, yeah, sure, we'll go to Crater Lake, but now that I'm here, I'm just like, this is like something out of a children's book. Like this is like Neverland. Like I feel like I could hop over this and launch off the side and just fly across.
Don't try it.
I won't. Or will I?
Ooh, so wet from all the snow.
Yeah.
We're walking out to see what Sun Notch looks like. Yeah, and all this snow on the hills is all fresh from the last couple days. Wouldn't have been here if we were here 3-4 days ahead of time.
Or
three or four days
a week later.
Or a week later, probably, yeah. It's supposed to be warm the next couple of days. We're out doing a tour of pullouts today. We just pulled into our campground a couple hours ago. And this snow and the light and the clouds, it's all so cool. Could have had better light, but it's afternoon, evening. What do you expect? But all this snow, we wanted to get it while the snow's out. It's cool. There's the wizard.
No one sees the wizard. Oh, there's the lookout that you remember.
Yes. Want to look at the lodge real quick?
Sure.
We can't go in the lodge. We can go look at the lodge. Ice.
Baby.
Well, they got some decent snow.
Yeah, they did.
A few inches. That's cool. Ranger station slash bookstore slash
Visitor center.
visitor center.
That's the information center.
Ah.
There. Here, buy some stuff.
Winter shutters are up.
we gonna climb that tomorrow?
Yes.